you can make a lot of money during this election that is approaching, and definitely you can lose a lot of money. Some of you are here to know if the election will have impact on the forex market and what to expect during that election. I'm going to basically break down all the insight or things that may occur on that day so that your mind will be ready and you'll be prepared for that day. The first one is what? USD volatility. The US often reacts to election outcomes because the US policies impact global economic and financial conditions. That means in the election, which is on the 5th of November, we should be expecting the USD to be having a high rapid volatility. If NLP can affect almost all currency, talk more of what will happen during the US election. One thing you should keep in mind when you want to trade during this election is that the USD volatility will be rapid and will be very critical. You should be mindful that any spike can happen at any time on that day alone. There should be volatility, just like when you see the NFP. If you've won a trade due to some factors, let's say NFP downfall, and you take those trades, there's a feeling it gives to you. It changes your whole scenario of what Forex is all about. The second thing we should expect is what? The market uncertainty. Leading up to the election, uncertainty can lead to increased volatility. Traders may see a larger price swings as the market anticipates the outcome. Particularly if the race is close, uncertainty can also lead to safe haven buying if traders look to minimize risk. As the election tends to be close, as people are about to get ready for the election, the US will be expecting a safe haven. That means the USD will be weakened. Why currency that are based on the USD, like Japanese, we have a rapid volatility. That means there may be a safe buying, right? I am not giving you guys a signal, but I'm saying when the election is close, not during the election, when the election is close, there may be a spike of other currency that are based on the United States. So now, as a Forex trader, you can safely buy on those particular things. That means you should see that other currency are now neither going to the opposite direction. That means if you're trading USD JPY, you should see that Japanese is coming down. That means Japanese is gaining more strength, right? If you're trading GPB USD, you should see that GPB is going up. It now depends on the traders to neither pinpoint on those things. An election can influence global risk sentiment. A win by the candidate expected to promote more stability might strengthen the investor confidence, leading to a more bullish USD. Why I call it risk sentiment? You can risk your money on the sentiment of what the presidential votes that may occur. The candidate that the people want to be voted in, let's say Donald Trump, is the person that people want to be voted in. Let's say Donald Trump won that election. It will give the investors the confidence to invest more in that economy. You should expect a bullish USD. That means United States will be bullish on that day because investors have now have the confidence that yes, this is the candidate that we want. Now we can invest because there's stability. During that week, you should expect United States to be going up. If the unexpected candidate should win, the reversal will happen. Traders can take up on those sentiments. One thing that will happen on that day is the USD volatility. That means you should expect that USD will be volatile. The market uncertainty means when the election is close, USD tends to what? Pause for a little bit. Then investors now are taking their money. They are no longer investing at that point. That means the other opposing party will have a bullish movement. That is for the market uncertainty. Then I gave you guys a risk sentiment. A risk sentiment is when candidate that the people want to be in power to win will make the investors have confidence and we want to invest their money in the economy. But when the unexpected candidate wins, investors will have less confidence and we withdraw in investing at that point. As the election comes this week, you can make a lot of money and you can lose a lot of money. Basically, I don't come to this Forex thing to tell you, hey, look at my strategy. I don't come here to preach strategy. I come here to give insights, because that is what all this financial thing is all about. Everything has a repercussion. Consequences makes things happen. That's what I believe in. I don't believe in all strategies. There is technical analysis, but there is something behind those things moving the way it is. Everything I talk about is all about insights. As the election days approaches, you guys should use a good risk management. If you want to be in the favorable side, if you have good updates on what is happening, you will be in the profitable side, right? So it's up to you as a trader to know if it's safe for you to trade or not safe for you to trade. If you know you're not mentally stable to trade on that day or that week, don't trade, save your capital. But if you know you use a good risk management, then I'll advise you invest the money that you can afford to lose without any problem, then see how you can make double of that money. Trust me, you're not going to make a little money, you're going to make double of them if you use your risk management perfectly. What we call the right time, the right place in Forex, right? So if you come at the right time, at the right moment, and that thing happens, it favors you, right? So you have to basically pay attention to all these consequences and all these things that may happen in the market. So these are the things I want you to know as the election approaches. So that will be all for this video. So if you know you've gained insight from this video, kindly leave a thumbs up, right? For all those people out there to also be careful before they lose a lot of money, hit this thumbs up, share this video as well to all your people out there, all your traders, all your investors that you know, to also let them keep in mind of things that may happen as well. So if you've not subscribed, this may be the last time you may see this kind of video that will help your trading life. Lucas Insight is committed to offering high quality education and insight on Forex trading and data analysis. Our mission is to equip traders and analysts with the knowledge and skills to achieve financial success. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, our channel has something for you. Like always, make sure you stay safe and you stay profitable. Have a nice day.